colonies belong to us.
Frail King George to Parliament,
British sweat and British blood.
they call American, well they're not American, they belong to England. They're not American, they belong to England.
Pompous British fools, St. Patrick, Henry, and Virginia were more than British tools.
We're America, yeah, we're American, and we don't need Mother England, yes. Now we're American, and we don't want Mother England. We've defended them from Indians, and we built their infrastructure. We'll tax them, but the debt would end with the stamp tag act, they'll suffer. They call themselves Americans, but they belong to England. They're not American, they belong to England.
Now they're charging us for paper. We oppose this damn taxation. It's unlawful and unfair without representation.
Because we are American and we don't need Mother England. Yes, now we are American and we don't want Mother England. They're boycotting all our goods. Those colonists defy us, but pay their share they should. Sold on the Townsend Acts to the focus. Because they're not American, they belong to England. They're not American, they belong to England.
Now there are levies on our glass, our lead, paper, paint, and tea. We will not pay the tax, we will rally in the street.
We are Americans and we don't need Mother England. Yes, now we are Americans and we don't want Mother England. Snowy Boston Square, an angry mob descended. Our troops died in despair because they felt their lives were threatened. They call themselves Americans, but they belong to England. They're not American, they belong to England.
Red British thugs and atrocities occurred. They murdered in cold blood, it was a Boston massacre.
It happened to Americans, damn those bloody English. We must protect Americans from those bloody English. Repeal the Townsend duties, but a tea tax must remain. Our East India Tea Company from ruins must be saved. The colonists in America, they don't realize we're England. They think that they can break the rules, but we'll show them they need England.
Dressed as Mohawks undercover, we sons of liberty, we'll sneak into the harbor and we'll have a Boston Tea Party.
They say we're not American, but we'll show Mother England. They can have back all their tea. Drink up, Mother England! Since I've reached the end, King George had when the tea was tossed. Now Questbacks we'll send until these rebel thoughts are lost. Take that, Americans! Don't play with Mother England! Stand back, Americans, cause here comes Mother England! We're supposed to have their soldiers and our ports are closed throughout Boston. Peace and trial will relax the shoulder as we prepare for revolution. Because we are Americans and we don't need Mother England. Yes,